Welcome to another Hoop Tech how-to. Today we are going to show you how to embroider a Carhartt utility bag using our Slimline 1 clamping system. This bag came from Sanmar. If you haven't seen their blanks, go check them out. They sell so many amazing accessories that your customers would love. In this video we will be using our Slimline 1 with the 3x5 window set. I've already installed and adjusted the Slimline chassis on my machine, but if you would like to learn how to install and adjust your chassis, click the link in the description. Once you've done that, take your bag and backing of choice and insert it into the clamp. After you have your bag lined up where you would like your design to go ahead and close your clamp. And as always, make sure you do a trace. This protects both your clamp and your machine. And now you're good to sew. The advantage to using a clamping system is they don't leave hoop burns, they can clamp over zippers, and handle materials both thick and thin. For more information on our Slimline 1 clamping system, visit www.hooptechproducts.com. Thank you for watching another Hoop Tech how-to. For more tips and tricks, make sure to watch our other videos and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.